Kung hindi ngayon ang panahon na para sa iyo, huwag mainip dahil ganyan ang buhay sa mundo. Huwag mawawala.
Ayan! Ayan!
Hello guys, meet my brother.
Hello.
My brother is Kulot. Kulot is busy, that's why it's been long time that he is not on my content. So guys, Kulot is speaking English also, but 50%
go
off.
vacation and long time no come back. Sorry. Yes, long time no come back. Now come back and with my brother, me making content. Sorry, English 50% off.
Bye bye, tata.
Bye bye. Bye bye.